Get ready to dive into the ultimate smartphone showdown, the iPhone 17 Pro versus the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip7. Both pack cutting-edge tech, but which one truly dominates? We're talking display brilliance, powerhouse chipsets, groundbreaking cameras, battery life, build quality, and killer features like satellite SOS on the iPhone and Samsung DeX on the Flip7. Can Apple's ceramic shield and dynamic island outshine Samsung's foldable brilliance and flex mode? And here's the kicker. Is the Galaxy Z Flip7 just a cool foldable gimmick or a real contender against the iPhone 17 Pro's polished powerhouse? Let's find out. The iPhone 17 Pro's 6.3-inch LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED display steals the spotlight, with its peak brightness hitting an astonishing 3000 nits and support for Dolby Vision HDR, making it a visual beast for any lighting condition. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Z Flip7 offers a larger 6.9-inch foldable dynamic AMOLED 2X screen with 2600 nits peak brightness, but its foldable design targets versatility over raw brightness. The iPhone's ceramic shield and dynamic island add durability and interactive flair that truly elevate the user experience beyond just size and resolution. Under the hood, the iPhone 17 Pro's Apple A19 Pro chipset, built on an advanced 3nm process, delivers a hexa-core setup with blazing 4.40 GHz performance cores and a powerful 6-core neural GPU, ensuring unmatched efficiency and AI capabilities. The Galaxy Z Flip7's Exynos 2500 also uses 3nm tech, but leans on a more complex 10-core CPU and Xclipse 950 GPU, focusing on multitasking and graphics. However, Apple's tight hardware-software integration usually translates to smoother real-world performance and better battery management. When it comes to photography, the iPhone 17 Pro dazzles with a versatile triple 48MP setup, including a periscope telephoto lens offering 4x optical zoom and a TOF 3D LiDAR scanner for depth precision. Plus, 4K video at up to 120 FPS with Dolby Vision HDR, ideal for creators craving pro-level footage. The Galaxy Z Flip7's 50MP main sensor is strong, but lacks the telephoto reach and advanced LiDAR depth sensing, making the iPhone the clear winner for photography enthusiasts. The iPhone 17 Pro's camera are stacked with pro-grade tools like ProRes RAW Video, Sensor Shift OIS, and Smart HDR5, enabling stunning image quality and creative flexibility. Samsung counters with enhanced nightography, director's view, and FlexCam preview on the cover screen, pushing foldable innovation. Yet, Apple's periscope telephoto and LiDAR integration push the boundaries of mobile photography further, giving it the edge for serious shooters. Battery-wise, the Galaxy Z Flip7 slightly out with a 4300 mAh capacity versus the iPhone 17 Pro's 4252 mAh. While close in size, the Flip7's foldable design demands efficient power management to support its dual displays, whereas the iPhone's optimized chipset and software typically deliver more consistent endurance despite the marginally smaller battery. In build quality, the iPhone 17 Pro impresses with its Ceramic Shield 2 glass front and back combined with an aluminum alloy frame, offering premium durability and a solid feel. The Galaxy Z Flip7's plastic front, when unfolded, contrasts with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the back and an aluminum frame, prioritizing flexibility and weight reduction for its foldable form factor, but potentially sacrificing some rigidity. Both phones offer water and dust resistance, but the iPhone 17 Pro's IP68 rating supports immersion up to 6 meters for 30 minutes, far surpassing the Galaxy Z Flip7's IP48 standard with just 1.5 meters submersion. Plus, Apple Pay's extensive certification adds convenience and security, making the iPhone more robust for everyday hazards and mobile payments. The iPhone 17 Pro boasts ultra-wideband 2 for precise spatial awareness, emergency SOS via satellite, and 3D spatial video audio recording, features that push it beyond a smartphone into a versatile tech hub. Samsung counters with innovative Flex Mode, Samsung DeX desktop experience, and AI-powered camera enhancements, emphasizing productivity and creative control. The iPhone satellite connectivity and spatial video capabilities, however, introduce entirely new use cases that the Flip 7 can't match. Both devices offer up to 512 GB storage with 12 GB RAM, but the iPhone 17 Pro extends up to a massive 1 TB option, catering to power users needing vast space for apps, media, and ProRes video files. This makes the iPhone more future-proof for creators and heavy multitaskers compared to the Flip 7's 512 GB max. Price-wise, both start at around $1,100, making this a battle of features and form rather than budget. The Flip 7's slightly higher price reflects its foldable innovation, but the iPhone 17 Pro packs premium tech that justifies its cost for users prioritizing performance and durability.